video, and we are closed out with 237.50. If I were to get out right now, it'd be up 350. And again, very small size, anywhere trading 1, 2, 3 contracts. And the reason I'm trading such a small size now is because I've gotten so many questions over the last few weeks that, hey, you're trading 10, 20, 30 contracts. I'm only trading 1, 2, or 3. Can you make money trading with just onesies and twosies and maybe threesies? And the answer is astounding. Absolutely. So that's why I'm doing it. I want to show you, because I know most trade, 1, 2, and or 3 lots. So that's why I want to show you here. So again, I was up, I was down, I gave it back, and now I'm up again. And so I just want to show you. And we're still trading within that first half hour's range. This is the first half hour high, and the first half hour low is here. So, we haven't even gotten any big movements. We've got a relatively small range today. We've got about a 4-point range from high to low. Trading, 1, 2s, and 3s. We're up right now, open profit about 3 1/4 on such a small range, so it can be done. So, just to let you know, once we do in fact break up through the highs or down through the lows, whichever occurs, there will be some great trading opportunities. Okay, it's still early. The market's only been open for an hour now. So I am patiently waiting for the market to either take out the highs or the lows. Now the highs are pretty significant because today's high is pretty much, we're like the all-time highs in the S&Ps right now. We broke through on Friday. So on an intraday basis, we did break through on Friday. And today, we just took it out by like a tick. Today's high took out Friday's high by 1 measly tick. So we failed. Okay, we weren't able to go higher. And then we immediately, failed off that level, came back down, tried to retest the low of the day, and we haven't been able to break through that. So, of course, that means something, right? We came down. We failed through taking out Friday's high. We've come down. Again, this is pure price action, right? No indicators, not looking at any moving averages, just trading off a price, right? Pure price, tape reading. Okay, so the market came down to 17 even. Weren't able to take out the low of 16 1/4. We missed it by 3/4 of a point. We're back up. So again, we're at a big indecision, right? It's indecision here. The market doesn't know what it wants to do. My feeling is, and the reason I bought it right here, right? I got out of most of my position, right? I only had 2, I believe, right? So I took 1 off, and I'm trailing it real close now, below the last 3-minute bars low. If we're unable to continue moving higher and we back and fill, it takes me out, fine. I'm still waiting for the market to either take out the higher down through the low. My bias right now is that the market will challenge the high of the day. Okay, and again, that's a big reflection point because it is the all-time high. And if we're able to break through on a closing basis, I think we can go a lot higher today. We can run. So I'm going to see what I can catch here. So I'm going to pause this video. All right, so out of the remainder of that position, flat the market. Again, today we've got about a 4-point range from high to low, and we've been able to net out about $300 so far, and that's trading anywhere from 1 to 3 contracts, so it can be done. You don't need a large account. You can trade and make money trading 1s, 2s, and or 3s lots, and that's what I want to show you here. So hope that helps. Have a great day. Bye for now. All right, I'm back with one last video today. I just had to get you in here. So remember I said earlier that once the market broke through the high of the day, remember we had a few trades here this morning. Okay, we had a few trades this morning. We're up about $262, $300 roughly. But as the market broke up through the high of the day, I knew the market would run because we're all-time highs. The market tried to fail at the low of the day, right? The market put in the low right here, first thing in the morning. Here, let me just show you exactly what I'm doing here. The market ran up, came down, failed at the high, came down right in here, could not take out that low, right? Could not take out the low right in here. We traded a little bit in here, and I said we had a 4-point range from high to low, and we're up about $262 in that small little range, trading 1, 2s, and 3 lots, okay? Small positions to show you that you can make money trading 1s, 2s, and 3s. You don't have to be trading 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 contracts to make money in the S&Ps. That's far from the truth. So I want to show you that here. So I said that once the market broke, and my bias, if you recall in the last video, my bias was to the upside. And why? Because the market down here was unable to take out the lows of the day. It had plenty of opportunities to try to take out those lows, and it could not do it. Therefore, we're going higher. So what I did was I had a buy stop at that high. Again, you never know with 100% certainty. All you can do is stack the odds in your favor, right? Because this is a probability game, right? So we bought it in here. We are long 3 contracts. And for this current trade, we're up $412. Whereas prior to this, we had closed out $262. So market's running. We're up 3. I'm going to look to take 2 off. Okay. See what the high of the day is. And I've been having some data problems too, so that's pretty frustrating. High 224.5. I'm going to go to 224. Take 2 off at 224 and a quarter. Okay, 224 and a quarter. Right there. There we go. 224 and a quarter.
Order filled.
Let's see. You know what? I'm short one. That's a mistake. You know what? I clicked it twice. 2 and 2. Added the 4. That's wrong. I'm wrong. I shouldn't be short this market. I should be long still this market. So again, that's a good everyone makes an error, right? So I got to cover this, right? I should be long one, but instead I'm short one, and that's wrong. So if I'm short, I need to take one off and just buy it back and close the trade out.
Order filled.
There we go. So should be long one still. I was going to trail up the remainder, but since I did not see on my order screen here that I had that order in to sell 2 at 224 and a quarter, I pushed the button again and I sold another 2. So remember, I was long 3. I was going to sell 2 at 220 to 21.24 and a quarter. I didn't see it, so I pushed it again, and it took me 2 more, so it got me short 1, right? Because I was long 3, so I sold 4, and netted me 1 short. So that was a good thing for you to see that, again, I made a mistake, but I'm flat now. It was good for 712. Well, everything today is good for 712. So I'm flat this market. Again, my bias, once I saw the market fail at the low of the day twice, we were in this range with about a 4-point range. We had about 3 trades in there. We're up about 260-ish, right? And as soon as it broke up through the high of the day, I was long, and as you can see, we did pretty well there, okay? So my final trade for today that I'm recording. Have a great one. Hope that all helps. Bye for now.